And that's what I really like about Leap Years, that this company has devoted a lot of time. They've invested time and money into these research projects on their product to prove its bioavailability. So they did some pharmacokinetic studies to study how well the product made its way into the bloodstream. And they found that it is very bioavailable. The form that they're using is, somewhat superior in terms of what's available to even like some humans. Um, and so they've got really good data on that. They also have safety data. So they've treated, over 65 dogs in a clinical study for 6 months and didn't see any significant adverse events. They even took a subset of dogs and treated them with 10 to 30 times the dose just to make sure it wasn't going to give adverse events for a couple of weeks, and it didn't. So we know it's safe. They did some efficacy looking at activity levels, and it did seem to improve the dog's activity. And they even put it through a clinical trial, a double-blinded placebo-controlled trial at NC State University College of Veterinary Medicine. So that study was led by a group of vets, and they looked at least 65 dogs over the age of 10 who all started out with a little bit of cognitive decline. And that was objectively graded. So they knew where the dogs were starting. And then through this study, within about 3 months, they saw that a significant portion of these dogs who were on the product actually did have either stabilization or slowing of their cognitive decline, which is huge. We don't really have anything great out there to help with cognitive decline prior to this. So, not saying that it's going to treat it, but if we have something that could help our dogs to re-engage better, have a little bit better cognitive function, and that's going to show up as, potentially less anxiety, more engagement, more interest in the activities that they used to have interest in. And it's going to show up also to pet parents. It's going to make dogs look happier. Some of these dogs like started having zoomies again after tit. So yeah, in my opinion, if I have a product that I know is safe and it does no harm, I'm going to try it. And in the ones that I've tried it, I've seen really positive effects.